and welcome to the Cloud Native DevOps track of our virtual GitLab Commit 2020. I'm Dan Gordon, and I lead the technical marketing team here at GitLab. I'm excited to show you all the incredible knowledge and insights our speakers will share with you today about DevOps practices in a cloud-native world. Cloud Native is about designing applications and services built specifically to exist in the cloud. This typically means a collection of small, independent, and loosely coupled services. As such, Cloud Native brings together the concepts of DevOps, continuous delivery, microservices, containers, and infrastructure as code to fundamentally change application development and delivery processes and reduce the barriers to entry for development at scale. In this track, we'll hear about where Cloud Native DevOps is taking us. We'll see the theories in action. We'll hear about the adoption of Cloud Native DevOps at a financial institution and for machine learning. We'll hear about a better way to make build packs for production, and we'll learn about a better way to secure your Cloud Native apps. Our theme for this commit is You Belong Here. There are many technology options in Cloud Native computing, but whether you are building a small e-commerce website or a complex financial service, using monorepos or multiple repos, writing in PHP, JavaScript, Ruby, or Go, getting your Kubernetes from AWS, Azure, Google, or spinning your own, it doesn't matter. You belong here. During the talks, our speakers will be live with you in the chat for you to ask questions, discuss content, or just say hello. The chat rooms will also stay available after the talk. In addition, there are multiple track-based network sessions you can stop by to interact with others with similar interests. And if you learn or hear something you'd like to share, we'd appreciate a tweet with hashtag GitLabCommit. All right, with that all said, let's dive in.